Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 2001 Albemarle 320 King of Kings as she sits here in Destin, Florida. First thing you note is this is a serious sports fishing machine. She's got an 80 square foot cockpit with two accesses to the fish box, a huge live well bait prep area, storage, tackle storage, and more tackle storage, all right here at the back deck. Easy to get to. Of course, moving forward, we have two L-shaped settees, one starboard and one port. And it's a short 2 steps up from the fishing cockpit. Of course, being a serious sports fisherman, she's got two fish finders, the Furono and the Garmin GPS Map 5212. And to make handling the boat offshore a little easier, the Simrad autopilot. The boat also has upgraded high nautic controls, not cables. And of course, she's powered by 300 horsepower Caterpillar 3126s. Stepping down into the salon, we've got a galley with a refrigerator, lots of storage. And of course, this large bunk here actually can become several bunks with a simple lift. Boat has a very roomy head. And of course, no boat in Florida would be complete without air conditioning. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to view the 2001 Albemarle 320 King of Kings as she sits here in Destin, Florida.